Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Mo P. Welcome to the channel. A little intro to the channel. We'll be doing how-tos, reviews, tips and tricks on everything shisha related. Tonight's video is on making an orange head. So you'll need an orange, some toothpicks, some flavor of course, some tin foil, and I'll be using an Amy Deluxe coal holder. I have coconut coals going on the hot plate right now. A little trick with those is if you are using a hot plate or even a gas burner, you don't want the heat too high, otherwise the coals will crack. So you can go ahead and, I've already done it, but cut your orange in half and scoop out a bowl out of it. And you can make that as deep or shallow as you need to based on how much flavor you want to put into it. And then also, I just use a knife and make a hole in the bottom of the orange as well so that it's able to sit on top of the stem. Then once you've done that, take some toothpicks and create a little floor in the bottom of the orange. And that'll give something for the flavor to sit on top of as well as keep the orange rigid. And then once you have that in there, fluff up some of your flavor and sprinkle it in there. I just use a fork. You can just use your fingers as well. But two things that I keep in mind are I don't want the flavor sticking above the orange, otherwise the coals will burn it. And also when you're packing it in there, you don't want to pack it in tightly. And also pack it in sort of a donut shape so that there's no flavor in the very center of where you poke that hole in the bottom. Now, I'll be using the Amy Deluxe coal holder. Again, if you don't have one, just use tin foil and wrap it on top of your orange. And you can use toothpicks to stick your foil on top of the orange so it doesn't move around. I took some tin foil and I made a cylinder shape here. And that'll sit just over the coals to keep the heat nice and even. A little trick I did on my shisha here is I put a little piece of rubber up here so that when the ashtray is sitting on top and you go to pull, it doesn't rattle on top of there. I take a little piece of paper towel and wrap it on top of the stem. That'll create a better seal between the stem and the orange and soak up a little bit of the juice. You don't want the orange sitting too far down. Just enough so that it's sitting on there firmly. And we're ready to put our coals on. I'm starting off with 3 coals, and if I find that gets harsh, I'll take one off. The nice thing about the Amy Deluxe coal holder is it has a little handle on it so you can turn the coals around to keep the flavor burning evenly. And I'll go ahead and put my little cover on top. And we'll give that a try. Alright, it's a moment of truth. So before I start smoking, I let the coals heat up the flavor a little bit so that it just makes it easier to get going. Nice and smooth. So the nice thing about using a fresh head is you do get a bit of that citrus flavor coming through, as well as it keeps the flavor burning slow and even. There we have it. My friends always ask me, Mo P, how you smoke so good? Now you know. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave some comments below and let me know what you'd like to see on the channel. Till next time, peace.